Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable Chakra UI focus ring for custom accessibility styling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To disable the Chakra UI focus ring, start by understanding what the focus ring is. The focus ring is an essential accessibility feature that indicates which element is currently focused. However, there may be cases where you want to create a custom focus style. Begin by installing Chakra UI in your project if you haven't already done so. You can do this by running the command npm install a Chakra UI /reacted emotion /styled framer motion. Once installed, open your main application file, typically index.js or app.js. Import the Chakra provider from Chakra UI. Wrap your application component with the Chakra provider to enable Chakra UI features. Next, to customize the focus behavior, create a new theme extension. Start by importing Extend Theme from Chakra UI. Define your custom theme by calling Extend Theme and passing in a configuration object. To disable the focus ring, set the focus property to an empty object under styles.global. For example, styles, global, focus, outline, none. You can also define your custom focus styles within the same theme object if desired. For instance, add a new property under components for specific components like buttons or links. Now, use the new theme in your Chakra provider. Pass the custom theme as a prop like this: Chakra provider theme equals your custom theme. Next, create a custom focus style that fits your design requirements. You might want to use properties such as box shadow, border, or background color. Ensure that the custom focus styles maintain low vision accessibility standards. After defining your focus style, test the component by navigating with the keyboard. Make sure the new focus style is visually clear without the default focus ring. Additionally, ensure your custom components still meet accessibility standards. Using tools like Lighthouse can help verify the accessibility of your components. Finally, iterate and refine your components' focus styles as necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully disable the Chakra UI focus ring and implement your own custom accessibility styling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.